So good morning. Today, I'm going to show you my test and how to perform my statistical test using JASP. Okay, so first, we're gonna choose what data we need to use for us to get the result of this study. So the data that I use is all about the workplace stress scales. So let us begin. Okay, so since we have already chosen two objectives to our studies, so first objective is to identify which specific work stress factor job 1 to job 8 contribute the highest stress by analyzing and ranking their mean scores. So the best that I choose for this for my appropriate statistical test is descriptive statistics. So for justification for this, so I choose descriptive statistic for rank mean scores of job 1 to job 8 to identify highest stress factor. And for the second one is to examine whether workplace stress significantly varies when grouped according to demographic variable such as age, sex, year on the job, sleep quality, height, and weight. So for this, I choose correlation and Kruskal-Wallis. So correlation examine relationship between continuous demographics such as age, height, weight, years on the job, and stress. So Kruskal-Wallis, this is for compare stress scores across categorical group. So that is for sex, sleep, quality. Okay, so first you need to open your JASP and then click File, Open, Computer, and then you need to find where you save the data set that you want to run using this app. So here we go. Okay, so here's my data set. And now, first thing that you need to do is, by the way, make sure your variables are correct, classified, job 1 to job 8, job 8. So this is scaling, and age, height, weight, years on job 1 to job 8, and then sex, sleep quality is nominal or ordinal. So let us proceed. Just click descriptives and then find the descriptive statistic. You need to click that one, and here we go. Just choose your variables, job 1 to job 8. Move here in the right side, right box. Wait for a moment. Job 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see here, descriptive statistic is already computed. And second is, since we already move the variables to the right box, so under statistics, you need to find statistics and then click make sure. Wait for a moment. Make sure you already put a check, the mean, and then standard deviation, and then the minimum and maximum. Wait. Okay, yeah, so it's already checked here. And then transpose descriptive table. And here we go. So here's the result of my first objective. So my first objective again is to identify which specific workplace stress factor job 1 to job 8. Sorry, so this is job 8. Job 8. Okay. So the result you need to paste here in your paper. Okay, so already done for my first objective. So let us proceed to the second objective. So my second objective is all about to examine whether workplace stress
significantly varies when grouped according to demographic variables such as age, sex, years on the job, sleep quality, height, and weight. So just reminder for descriptive statistic, by the way, for my first objective. So the item with the lowest mean equal less stressful factor. So let us continue. So since we have already for descriptive statistics, and that is for my first objective to identify which specific workplace stress factor, job 1 to job 8. And then for the second objective is to examine whether workplace stress significantly varies when grouped according to demographic variables, so such as age, sex, years on job, sleep quality, height, and weight. So that is for the statistical test that I choose is correlation and Krustal-Wallis. So for correlation, examine the relationship between continuous demographics, age, height, weight, years on job, and stress. So let us run that one using JASP. So first thing that you need to do, since I already upload my data set on this app, so let us continue. For correlation, go to regression. So regression here, click correlation, and then run the total stress. The total stress still here in the right side or right box variables, and the age, height, and weight, and also year job. And check the person, correlation, p-values, and correlation plot optional. And as you can see here, the sample correlation coefficient. So persons R is already checked here, and then here's the result. You need to copy this one and paste to your paper. So correlation, by the way, the interpretation for this, if it is P minus, or what we call of this, less than 0.05 means significant relationship, and R positive, so that is higher value equals higher stress, and then R negative, that is higher value equals lower stress. So let us continue. For Krustal-Wallis, for my this is still for my second objective. So you need to go to ANOVA. So click ANOVA, and then ANOVA, classical ANOVA, still the same data set. So still you need to move your variable to the right box. So I need to click the total stress independent variables. So I need sleep quality for my dependent variables, and then for my fixed factor, is sex. Move here, and then click OK and run. So this is the result for Krustal-Wallis. So I need to copy this and then paste again. Same process, just attach on your paper. And then, by the way, the interpretation for this, P less than 0.05 means that stress is significantly different between groups. So examples for this is males versus females, and then that is significant, or good versus poor sleep. Okay, that's all for today, and hope you learned something.